Now let's prep the steaks. What you need is a bony knife. On your strip steaks, what we're going to do, we're going to cut a pocket in the steak. So we want the opening to be small, yet we want to hollow out most of the steak. Now, I go in on the opposite end from the fat end. When you go in on the fat end, it's hard to get through, therefore you might make a mistake with the cut. So I go in from the lean side, in the center, like so. What I'm going to do is go back and forth and create a pocket. Just like so. And we make sure that it's hollowed out inside. And we'll do the next one. Now that the steak's hollowed out, we can line it with cheese. So we have our Sega blue cheese. You don't need too much of this, so this pile here I'll divide in two, one for each steak. And you just work it in the pocket, try to line the sides, just like so. Okay, so these are lined. Now we need our ham and mushrooms, and we will fill these and start cooking the steaks.